So we're playing Dungeons and Dragons in a couple of hours, and I need to make a character, I need to make a mini, and ideally actually paint it in that time, which I've never done before.
Hurry!
There's a lot of chaos energy happening right now.
My pull-up skills. Oh yeah, I'm impressed.
Except I think I'm struggling now.
Okay, I don't have a lot of time here, but I am determined. I've decided to play an undead druid called Maxine. She's silly and creepy, but also wants to become one of the best chefs in the entire world. She's also got a little zombie friend that follows her around and holds up a shield, because otherwise my armor class is weak sauce. Maxine likes to collect berries and spices and human remains, making all kinds of breads, broths, and other barely edible treats. The one thing that she does make really well is muffins. One of the abilities that I get with my background, and also of course being a druid, is that I get to make these delectable little baked goods that actually heal the party once a day. Overall, she's a silly character with an even sillier voice, and I love her. Since we're frantically running around trying to get these minis done as one-day builds, I didn't exactly document everything step by step like I normally do, and honestly, I'm okay with it. Watching back this footage and all the other projects from our trip just reminded me how much fun we all had and the little gems of our conversations. Everything from who our favorite YouTubers are to where we stand on root beer.
I like very specific brands of root beer sometimes, but for the most part, I would say I'm not a root beer person.
Like A&W root beer?
Yeah, A&W. And even then, it's like, sometimes I'm still like, this root beer is fine, but I would like it better if it was,
Not quite so stable.
no, just like as a float, you know? Like, I would enjoy this if I was having it with like a ton of ice cream as well.
Yeah, I get you.
In the end, it all worked out. I made a pair of really cool minis that I'm proud of, I had some great chats with my friends, and we played a game of Dungeons and Dragons that I will not soon forget. Thank you so much to Luke for not only DMing, but also making most of the other minis that we needed, and as much as it pains me to say it, this video does sadly mark the last of the projects I made in Australia. But certainly not the last project that I do with these dorks. Thank you to all my patrons, and a special thank you to the newest members of the Coven, Ebab Flo and Fabucel. And of course, thank you to you for watching this video and subscribing to the channel. I'll see you next week. Bye!
Be a goblin.
You can always be a goblin. Well, it's not so much of a choice for you, really, is it? You're just kind of
Lifestyle.
just a goblin. It's a lifestyle choice.